Hey everybody, today your grammar lesson is about verbs, and we're going to talk about the order of words in a sentence when we have a verb, okay? So, let me show you. I have an article, a noun, and a verb, but let's read it. It says, cup the fill. Does that make sense? No, it really doesn't. What about if we do the fill cup? Does that make sense? The fill cup. No, that doesn't make sense either. Let's put it in an order that we know makes sense. We know that the phrase goes fill the cup. So what we learned from this is that it really does depend on the order of where you put your words. So when we have a verb, okay, remember a verb is an action word, okay? So it shows action, that's why it's a red circle. It's red like the sun because it has energy, and it's a ball because it moves around, okay? So we have to know that they go in a specific order, okay? This is called transposition. It means that you can switch the words around, but it doesn't make sense, okay? So let me give you another example. Okay, here I have clock set the. Now, those words in this order do not make any sense, do they? Clock set the. No. We know it's not the set clock or the clock set. So what we figure out is that we know, to move this around a lot, is that our phrase should be set the clock. Okay? When we call this transposition, it's because we are moving the words around, okay? So transposing. So this is my original. If I say shut door the, these are my original words. Now I'm going to transpose or change or rearrange so that it makes sense. So it has to say shut the door. Our verb, which is the action, always has to have something that's doing the action, okay? So that is pretty much it. It's a really easy lesson. I mean, you guys know if something makes sense or not. I got one more. I got sink, clean, and the. We obviously know that it's, that it's going to be clean the sink, okay? So you know when you see a phrase that might not make sense, you know that you can rearrange the words so that it does make sense. So remember, your verb has the action, and it has to have a noun that's receiving the action or doing the action, okay? So your follow-up will be posted. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. Bye, guys.